Hi, I'm Robert Cummings, creator of the Soft Power Skills Academy. This is our story. The Academy's concept is formed from over 37 years of my vision to be fluent and effective in Asia. As an aircraft commander and instructor leading air crews in Japan, an Asian history and global business professor inspiring young cadets and adult learners, a diplomat in Bangkok engaging with allies from diverse cultures, or as a leadership and efficiency coach in high reliability organizations, I've observed, learned, and practiced the set of skills necessary for getting the best performance out of myself and teams that I've led and coached. Integrated with that experience is formal education that is added to my understanding of leadership and influencing human behavior. So, I've been there, done that, and here's what I've noticed. Eager and talented people can master technical competence, but that doesn't guarantee leadership competence. Companies are desperate to find proactive workers ready to step up and lead. Today's work environment is dynamic and complex. Fast developing technology is taking over human functions, making the technical skills less valuable and the higher level human skills more important. The current educational system is largely ineffective and inefficient in time and resources. Getting an MBA takes 2 years and tens of thousands of dollars. Even online education tends to be talking heads or graphic presentations and mostly one-way communication. A flood of knowledge is instantly available with just a Google search, but the challenge is sorting out the relevant from the trivial. Simple certificates of paper that say MBA or PhD don't count as much as the ability to collaborate with others for a meaningful purpose, to put knowledge into action, to make a difference for good in the world. That's why I've created Soft Power Skills Academy. I started with a blog at AndamanInspirations.com to select, analyze, and share the latest practical applications of research in areas such as leadership, positive psychology, and behavioral economics. I identified the particular high-value human skills that I call soft power skills. Skills such as purpose and goal setting, motivating and persuading, making effective decisions, planning and feedback, and communicating with empathy and precision. The Academy brings together like-minded, high-performance individuals to challenge each other to rise to the next level. The real value comes from the face-to-face interaction and problem-solving in practical projects, guided by a challenger coach with fearless peer feedback that pushes us through personal barriers. In the drive to deliver, teammates form strong, lasting bonds that reach into a better future. Lifelong access to our alumni site keeps our exceptional community continuously connected. It's not easy. I've made the entrance competitive to attract the most energized, motivated, creative chaos makers available who will challenge peers and grow together. If you're ready for the challenge, if you want to be a part of this movement for meaningful change, I encourage you to apply. Thank you.